everybody, welcome back to the channel. Matt here, Cummins Camping, and today I'm just gonna show you something that I'd like to do every so often in the middle of winter. Today it's on the borderline of freezing. As you can see, we got snow on the camper, and I stored another one for family members, and I'm gonna go inside of ours and make sure there's nothing leaking. Every so often, maybe every couple weeks or whatever, come in here, and because we had rain, we've had snow, just want to make sure everything's good, you know what I mean? Make sure you don't have any leaks going on. Last time I was in here, we were all dry, but you never know. Expanding, contracting, it all still moves around a little bit in the winter time, you know what I mean? So good to keep up on it, good to keep making sure you're good, and everything's dry and you're not getting anything in anywhere, because that's the first thing that's going to kill one of these things is moisture. So let's get to it. Let's get some lights in here. We are plugged in, so I have 110 power. At least have lights, and the battery's charged up, you know. Let's shine. Just use the light on my phone here. Turn this light on. I like to kick all the lights on. I'll kick this one on. That way we can see the places I can't see real well. We will just go ahead and feel. So I like to get up in the corners, make sure we're all good. Feel anything there? See or feel anything there? Open up the closets. Looks all dry. Nothing there. Dry. Looking good, because right in here, right about in there, you can see where it starts to curve down. Obviously, it's where your front nose cone is going to attach. So that's where your seal is going to be. So always want to make sure where that trim piece is there, you don't have any water coming in all the way across. I'll come over here, check this side same way. You know, I could be out here for 10 or 15 minutes checking all this, make sure nothing, we're all good. Dry. That stuff out of the way. Dry. I'm looking for discoloration in the wood also. Looks good. All dry. I'll look around my window seals. Pick this up. As we have had in other campers, water come down here. And there's a seam for the wallpaper there. Nothing. All nice and dry. Good deal. Go ahead and shut that again. I'm going to do that on all the windows. Make sure. I'm also going to look up here at the corners. Make sure nothing from the roof, edges of the roof. And check all this. That's looking good. I'm always happy when it's all dry, because you just never know. Here, look up there. It's all across the whole wing, the whole length. And open my cabinets, look at my windows. That's just all we're gonna do, just checking everything. Make sure the counter's dry. That'd be a sign of window leak in there. So far, so good. Open these cabinets up. Not seeing anything. Also, I like to keep on top of not just water, but to make sure we aren't getting any kind of rodent activity. No droppings, no nothing like that. You know what I mean? These things like to get in the wintertime. Mice, they'll get in and start gnawing on things. You don't want that. On my slides, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm going to look down at the floors and stuff. Way back in there. Make sure we don't have anything coming in on the floor or obvious signs. As best I can. I'm not opening up slides right now. I won't be able to get clear back here, but I'll be able to get most of the way. Yep. Back in there. Good. Another bathroom, I'm not even going to try. I'll come in the other door. But it looks pretty good. And I'll look up in here. Make sure everything looks good. That's all I'm looking for. Quick signs that anything's getting in. Alright, we want to check all our storage compartments. That looks good. I got a little light here I guess I could turn on. That's gonna shine right in your eyes. Check all this right inside that seal. Make sure nothing coming in like there is in the back. That looks all good. If you paid attention, you saw the dark wood in that outside kitchen area. Come over here and check this one too. Okay, check right inside there. Make sure no water's getting past. Looks good. Looks good. I always do a quick peek inside your cabinets also. Make sure nothing's... I said I'm also looking for droppings and stuff too. I don't want mice in here. No mice, no water. Happy camper, you know what I mean? Okay, we'll kill these lights. Let's go back to the other door. Check the other bathroom. And maybe once through the winter if it warms up enough. See, it's pretty cold out right now. I don't want to mess with them slides. Just in case there's water on the outside that might be frozen. I don't want to rip those bulb seals. While we're here, let's pop this outside kitchen open. I'm going to want to check, make sure all the water here is staying on the outside of this seal. This is from brand new here. I could glue that back down. Yeah, we're getting a little something there. Find out where that's coming from. It's coming from up here. It is. Seal right there. I got some work to do there in the winter or in the springtime. Yep. I have to seal up that top. Right up there. Seal up that top. Tell you what I'm going to do for now. I got a towel right here. Set that right down in there. That's coming from clear up here. It's coming from up there. It's above this. It's on the outside. So I will reseal that as soon as the weather breaks. That's why we do this stuff. Otherwise, there's horror stories of this whole back end rotting out. And I don't want that. I know where that's coming from. I'll show you here in a second. Let me get this shut back up. That is coming from this seal right here, right there. I'll bet. Running around the, running around the top corner. I will get some sealant and I'll run a bead right down there. Make sure that's all sealed off real good. But I gotta wait for the weather to break, and I'll get that sealed right back up. It's no big deal, really isn't. I've only had this camper for a couple years, and I didn't see any signs of that last year. So over the last camping season, that seal has gotten a crack in it or something. So that towel should take care of sealing anything up for soaking it up, and I'll keep coming out here and checking that. So we know we got a problem there. Not a big one, just we got a little bit of a leak on this silicone seal. This is silicone. They sealed up around that with silicone, so I can fix that. I can fix that easy. That's why we do this on any major problems. All right, then we're gonna come in here, the bathroom. I'm gonna check my toilet, make sure it's still holding water. Well, look at that. If anybody's watched them toilet problem videos, good deal on that. I'm happy that it's holding. Yeah, a little cobweb there. I hate spiders. And looks good and dry. Right there at the corners. Alright. Up in the corners there. Up around our skylight. Looks good and dry. No signs of water getting in there. Alright, good deal. And that's it. I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks again. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified whenever I release a video. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you.